Good morning, class. How are we all doing? Yes, quick one. I just have to do this to really teach you guys on how to do very good and top-notch design. And this is a design that was sent to me by a student, and I really want to put him or her through and to also let her know some certain rules in graphic designing. Okay, so one of the rules I'm going to teach you in the class today is the fact that you must be able to avoid using too many images for your background. Now, a single or two images are good for a perfect and beautiful design. So for instance, here we are talking about POS flyer design or banner design, and this is absolutely not right because we have almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images to describe your creativity, which is not right. So what you need to do is to get just a single image or two at most to describe whatever you want to design. So I have told you in my class that if you want to get a background, go to Google to search for it. So once you get it, then you can now display or do whatever you want to. For instance, this is my Google. This is the POS I wish to use. Then you copy and paste. Then you power clip it. Okay, power clip it. All right. So as simple as this. And the name of the company. So if all you need to do here is to extend the background. To extend the background, okay. All right, that is all. This is your. Then the name of the company can come up. So you just have to be as simple as this. Make your design very simple. Then POS can come here. POS can come here. Okay. POS shop. Of which, if I want to really do it in my own way, I can do something like this. I can do something like this. I'm trying to teach you guys to know how to design, how to make a very attractive design, very attractive design to help you in your design journey, to help you a lot. So what I'm trying to do is this. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. So with this, it makes it look so recent and beautiful, and you can see a lot of creativity here. POS available. So let me make this bolder. Let me make this bolder. But what we are trying to sell is POS, so there's something that must be visible enough for people to see. Okay, POS here. All right, can you see that? And how many color have I used here? Just a single color. Just a single color here. So our services, okay, and come down. Our services can come down here. And use the fonts, so I can actually use this. Then these services will pop out, so you can use red to push it out. Okay, so, and I want you to watch this angle. This is it. This is too flat. This is too flat. So what you need to do here is to make use of your be of interactive too. So make it bevel. Yes. So it makes your job look so professional. It can't just be designing, you know. Do you understand? It makes it so professional. Then you arrange your stuff. You arrange your stuff. You arrange your stuff. Okay. Then your background, your logos should be properly arranged. Your logo should be properly arranged. Okay. Your logo should be properly arranged. You can see what I'm doing. You can see how I'm trying to achieve a perfect design. See how I'm trying to achieve a perfect design. So this is for you guys to learn how to do these things perfectly. Okay. So all these things are very important for us to know, learn as well. Okay. You see that? Then you write recharge card. So data. Then you pull this up. This can come. This is it. This is it. So what am I also missing here? Okay, this visa. This visa. Okay. Can actually put this here. So you can see the professionalism that I display here. You can see it. So it is a matter of coming up with good creativity, and which will enhance your design to be very beautiful and attractive to your clients. Okay. Because of our time, I will have take my time to do this as well. So I want you guys to take a close look and learn from this properly. Okay. I want you guys to do that. Alright. So compare these two now and point out the difference. Compare the two now. So you don't need so many objects or image to describe what you need. With this, it's okay. All right. With this, it's okay. So if I really want to work on this, I know what to do. Let me quickly do that. I think we still have more time. Okay. So what I need to do is cut off this zero. I mean this zero, this O letter. Just cut it off. So you go to your what is it called? Freehand tool. Click on Bezier tool, then crop this out. Crop it out. Okay. Crop it out. Okay. Crop it out. Alright. Let me go back. Sorry. Okay. Crop it. Follow the image. So this is it. This is it. Decide to even use this. Yes. Available here. Available here. So it's as simple as this. Available here. But there are some things I need to do here, but I think it's fine. Available here. So if I want to make this look more funky, I may decide to use, what is it called, typo or a calligraphy letter here. Let me just do this. Okay, Control K to break it up, break all this. So this is automatically becomes a logo. It becomes a logo automatically. Right. So it is as simple as this. As simple as this. So guys, thank you for watching. Wish you all the best. See you in my next class. God bless you.